In this question, you're being asked to solve for the quadratic equation, but now you need to give the negative answer. So let's first check how that's going to look in the calculator if we graph it. We're going to, once again, just check that it's in standard form. It equals 0, and it is. So we're going to just type it in. X squared minus x minus 42. And it shows automatically that it is touching in two sections, a positive and a negative. So you have to make sure you answer the negative answer because that's what they're asking. So we're going to go ahead and trace and see where those are. Okay, so the negative is at -6 and the positive will be at +7. Okay, so the answer for the question will be -6. Let's do that algebraically just for practice, but also if you are interested in doing it, you can just end the video if you're not. But if you are, thanks for watching. So A is going to be an invisible 1. B is going to be a negative invisible 1, so -1. And then C is -42. And when you use the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We're going to substitute -1, because that's your b. And then we're going to do b squared, so it's -1 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is -42, over 2a, so 2 times 1. Now we're going to type the discriminant into our calculator, or do it by hand if you prefer. Just be very careful. So -1 squared minus 4 times 1 times -42. And we get positive 169. So all of that is square root of 169. And as we rewrite this, we're going to have negative times negative, which is +1, and then plus or minus, over 2 times 1, which is 2. And again, all of these are to give you your x values. So now we check what square root of 169 is. That is 13. So that means that automatically this becomes 13. So 1 plus or minus 13 divided by 2. That is so far what we have. 1, 13, and 2 cannot be simplified by a number. So from here is where we distribute the two different answer choices we're going to have. We're going to have x equals 1 plus 13 divided by 2. And x equals 1 minus 13 divided by 2. So 1 plus 13, we know that's 14. And 1 minus 13, that's -12. If you divide these by 2, this becomes a 7, and then this becomes a -6. So that confirms that these two are the answers that we saw. Okay, I hope this video helps you.